What's up, everybody? Been out here grinding and welding. I'll show you here in a minute. But found out we lost one of my heroes. Very good body man, restoration guy. Jim Bennett passed away. So I'm gonna put this on my truck. That still is right. Rest in peace, Jim Bennett. Godspeed, brother. My condolences and prayers go out to the friends and family of Jim Bennett. He was an awesome guy, and he will be missed. So he's going to be riding with me from here on out. I'm not taking. I've been cutting and welding and filling in where I had to notch the frame for the oil pan. We're getting ready to put the engine and transmission back in it. Woo! Test fit it.
And turn the heat back on.
Yeah, and it's cold. Sitting in there, according to the degree wheel, it's dead nuts level right now. The oil pan fits. It went in with the pan on. That was the first time we put it in with the pan on. I screwed up one of my brand new brake lines. So the next conundrum is going to be the exhaust. This thing has no room for exhaust to go through there. So that'll be the next thing. I'm about ready to burn these motor mounts in, or I'm gonna tack them and then put some bolts through them. But I think I'm gonna wait until the headers get here, in case I need to move this engine forward some more, possibly. I'll just swap sides on these because I've got it offset to the front. Maybe I'll switch them sides so it offset to the back, bring the engine forward, probably another inch. And I'll have to modify the cross member. I've got the transmission mount in the factory mount spot right now, so that's what's going on today. We will talk at you later. Godspeed, Jim. Everybody else, get out there and fix something.